Welcome to Perth Water Leak Detection and Repair Services, your solution to water and gas leaks in Perth. Whether it's a burst pipe, underground leak, or gas leak, we've got you covered. Our comprehensive leak detection process starts with a thorough water audit and loss analysis to identify any signs of leaks on your property. We utilize advanced equipment such as acoustic sensors, thermal imaging, and gas detection tools to pinpoint even the trickiest leaks. Once we find the leaks, our expert team swiftly repairs them and provides assistance with WaterCorp leak reports to help you recoup any losses through a water leak allowance. For gas leak detection, we use state-of-the-art gas detection equipment to locate and fix gas pipes quickly and effectively, ensuring safety-first protocols. You might wonder, is leak detection worth it? Absolutely. Early leak detection is crucial in preventing property damage and reducing water bills. Our industrial-grade equipment is exceptionally precise, saving you valuable time and money. Don't let water and gas leaks go undetected. Contact us now for immediate assistance and peace of mind.